The leaves are changing and dropping everywhere, which means it's probably time to clean your gutters. Here are a few tips to consider when cleaning your gutters this fall, which you should do at least once, if not twice per year. Number one, tell someone you're doing it. Ladders are dangerous, so make sure someone is aware you'll be on the roof or a ladder that day. Number two, wear gloves and eye protection. Consider long sleeves and boots, as this can be a dirty job. Number three, use a safe ladder on a level surface. A ladder leveler device can come in handy here. Number four, avoid power lines and consider using a fiberglass ladder if you need to get close to any. Number five, clean debris off the roof first. Number six, this is important, wear rubber-soled shoes on the roof for good traction. Number seven, use a plastic tool when scraping the gutters. A metal tool can cause damage to the gutters. An old rubber spatula is perfect for the job. Number eight, spread out a drop cloth to drop the debris onto or fill a 5-gallon bucket as you work. Number nine, once the gutters are clean, just rinse them out with the hose. There you go. Just follow those simple tips and you'll have your gutters clean in no time. If after watching this, you'd rather hire someone to take care of it, reach out to me and I'll connect you with a reliable local contractor that I highly recommend. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful hints about real estate or life in general.